I'm doing Muhammad Ali. I will explain about introduction, company profile, objective, mission, problem statements, and organization chart. So, business and financial plans are crucial for us as a mechanical engineer. Although not as crucial as engineering profession, it provides us with some insight on how to measure business and make a financial planning of a project. Thus, we, as a group of 5 from subject BA 40903 Engineering Economics, were given a task to plan a business and analyze the data on the financial and profits. This is an important process to prepare us with knowledge for the future works. So, for the company profile, Budaya Hikers in Bahad primarily provides service where customers can get hiking guide service at an affordable price. But even at an affordable price point, our customers don't need to worry because we only hire trained professional as a guide to avoid any problems in the future. So our company was founded by a group of 5 that could solve any problems that came in your way. Each of us has a specific skill sets to solve a specific problem. The company was built because each one of us loves nature and hiking in particular, so we felt a need to guide others to experience nature in a way that we experience. Next, for the objective. Our main objective for this project is to bring out a new and fresh idea on our services and improve the quality of our services, and to make our customers happy with our services. Next, for the vision. Our vision with this company is to keep on generating a new and fresh idea with our services because customer satisfaction is our first priority, and this company will be trusted and be a big brand for our company in the future. Next, for the mission. Our company will keep providing our loyal customers with high quality services. This is to create an establishment with our customers and to react instantly with sudden changes of demand in the domestic market, and to keep improving and updating our products and services for our customers. Next, for the problem statement. Day by day, we have seen a lot of people that went hiking got lost. Some even results in death due to lack of experienced hikers to guide them. Yes, we as a company are here to fulfill the demand to help the hikers so that they will be safe in the journey. We have a lot of experienced staff that will guide our customers safely. Not only will we help our customers in find way, but we also offer a package to help our customers to learn new skills so that they want our help in the future. Finally, for the organization chart, we have Aiman Daniel bin Muhammad as the managing director, me, Ahmad Adam bin Muhammad Ali, as the chief executive, Aiman Hakimi bin Amir Hatta as a design engineer, Adi Aiman bin Muhammad Noor as a marketing executive in marketing manager, and finally we have Ahmad Sirhan bin Ahmad Safwan as a process engineer.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adi Ahmad bin Makno. I want to explain to you about the description of the product. A Group 1 hikes, let participate, focus on the track. We provide equipment, food, transportation, guides, license and fees. AG1 hiking tour guide allows participants to relax, improve their health, reduce the risk of mental disorders and improve teamwork. Our company prioritize trackers, safety and happiness. Next, they may have a life list, hiking or camping trip, but don't want to buy all the gear for it. In this situation, a tour service that includes everything is ideal. We can bring location to life by sharing our experience, expertise, insights, contacts and enthusiasm. On the ground, we plan and manage tours. This service virtually eliminates planning. Some guests are new to backpacking, hiking and or camping and prefer to learn from experts. Guide tours are engaging. Most visitors join guided hiking and backpacking trips for multiple reasons. We'll help them create a once in a lifetime event, whatever their reason. Next, Identification of hiking requirement. To determine what to pack for a day hike, we consider the distance, isolation, and weather forecast. More clothes, gear, food, and water mean longer, more isolated, and worse weather. Read our hiking guide proposal if they're new to day hiking. Hiking trip involved. There is no normal day on our hiking expeditions. Routines remain the same regardless of route, weather, or trek length. We will discuss tomorrow's hike and other options during the day. We hike most days at 8:30 a.m. Some days we begin earlier. We can take our time and stop at interesting sites. It also lets us cover most of the distance before it gets too hot or rainy. The walk includes picnic lunch. We arrive between 3:30 and 5. This gives you time to relax and explore before dinner at 7:30 or 8 p.m. Next, the hiking activities include paragliding, which is give participate a once in a lifetime feeling of flight. The views are unique. Extreme focus and adrenaline cleans them emotionally and physically. Photography. Bringing back photos is a way to share the beauty or jog others' memories. Scrambling, climbing, and learning. We make sure everyone in the party understands and can manage risk. Combine hiking and education with trips that teach foraging and trekking, birding walks. Next, cost of this hiking tour guide. Cost per item, which is flight only to Sabah, which is 551 ringgit. Next, 3 night 10 accommodation, 20 to 100 ringgit. Entrance fees, 1 to 50 ringgit. Climbers permit, 50 to 200 ringgit. Hiking equipment, which is rent, 100. Best hourly operational cost for billing. So annual investment cost, 10,000 ringgit. Annual instructor fee per month, 2,000 ringgit. Labor cost, 6,000 ringgit. Equipment maintenance cost, 500 ringgit. Total annual cost, which is 8,500 ringgit. Hourly hiking tour cost, excluding material, 100 to 1,000. Then next, value of cycle time. Daily cost of hiking for 25 kilogram per person, which is 100 to 1,000 ringgit. Annual cost of hiking, 6,569 ringgit and 73 cents. The determination of hiking cost, operation and maintenance. Trails connect people to their land in two ways. We unlock their lands, hiking, jogging, birding and skiing potential. We make forest issues easy to monitor. Public trails boost community and property values. By connecting people to nature, we create a lasting conversation ethic. The first step buys new equipment only when their old one breaks. The second category is people who update their equipment whenever something new and shiny comes out. Our gear, which affects hikers' comfort and safety, must be well maintained. Ownership cost is the sum of an asset's purchase price and operating costs. The company may buy expensive and high quality equipment, but it must still pay for maintenance service. The company pays for repairs if something goes wrong.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So my name is Aiman Hakimi and I will continue the presentation for product cost and profit analysis. So this is estimation of total cost. So total cost is equal to TC equal to FC plus VC. TC is total cost, FC is fixed cost and VC is variable cost. So next, the words fixed cost refer to the price of an item that does not change over time. Commodity with variable cost is one whose price does not remain constant over time but varies depending on the condition. Dividing the total cost by the quantity of product produced is all it takes to figure out the cost of the product you need. The annual maintenance cost, the amount running cost, the annual labor cost, and the annual ownership cost, for example, are all are all included in the fixed cost of AGI hiking tour guide. So annual fixed cost. Fixed cost equal to maintenance plus operation plus ownership plus labor. So we get 500 plus 2000 plus 8500 plus 6000. So total we get 17,000. So next, annual variable cost, item and equipment equal to 25 kg per person. Cost of hiking equipment rented is 100. Cost of raw item and equipment for 1 unit, 100 divided by 1000 kg times 25 kg, we get RM2.50. And variable cost, we get for 85,000 ringgit for 12 months. So next is total cost. Total cost is equal to 17,000 plus 54,000. So we get 71,000 ringgit. So total cost per unit, we get 71,000 divided by 1,800 for 12 months. So next is determination of sale price, break even and profit margin. Break even point, the break even point is calculated as below. So total cost equal to 100Q. So when we calculate, we get Q equal to 710. According to the calculation, we need at least 710 per person. So profit margin, the profit can be calculated by subtracting total return and total cost profit equal to TR minus TC. TR is equal to 216,000. So next is profit, TR minus TC. So we get 145,000 ringgit. Next, so profit margin, TR minus TC divided by TR times 100%. So when we calculate it, we get 66.13%. As a result, we have determined that the profit margin on the service of hiking tour guide will be 67.13%.
Hello and Assalamualaikum, my name is Simon Daniel bin Muhammad. My metric number is CD190022. Today I will present about Chapter 4, Time Allocation of the project. The method we use to allocate time is using Work Breakdown Structure or WBS. WBS mainly organizes the work of the team into sections. It visually defines the scope into part that team can easily understand, as each of the section provide further detail of the work. The work breakdown structure also have many benefits in organizing and smoothen the flow of the project. By allocating estimate time and cost to specific section of the work breakdown structure, a schedule of this project can be arranged so that it don't exceed the estimate time and cost. Project idea brainstorm, this time allocation of the project, and this is the minute of meeting. For introduction, in a business, financially planning is a task to determine how a business will afford to accomplish its objective and strategic goals. It is a key to determine whether the company has enough fund to survive. Moreover, the financial planning is able to maintain the stability of the balance between income and expenses of the company so that the business is profitable. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Sinabi Ahmad Safwan. So today I'm going to talk about the application of business fund. For the Berjaya Hiker Sdn Bhd, the estimation of cost is for the fixed cost is 17,000, while for the variable cost 54,000, which make our total cost is 71,000. So the cost of establishing this business is 71,000. We decided that applying for a bank loan was the simplest method to start a business. We decided to take up a 100,000 loan with an annual interest rate of 6.5% because the total cost was 71,000 ringgit. As you can see, this is the scheduled payment for the Maybank loan. As we can see, 100,000 ringgit loan will be, the interest rate will be 6.5% compared to the 5,000, 10,000, which is at the 8%. We choose to apply for a loan with Malayan Banking Berhad or Maybank since they provided lower interest rates than other banks. The following are the terms of the business loan. For the bank name is Malayan Banking Berhad, or Maybank. For the loan amount is 100,000. For the interest rate is 6.5% per annum. And for the payment duration is 6 years, which is 72 months. Okay, last. For this is the formula to calculate the total interest. For the interest rate is I, N which is number of years, P for the initial loan from the bank, F and the total debt needed to pay to the bank. So after we calculate, as you can see, for the P initial loan from the bank we put 100,000, and for the number of years 6, and while the interest rate is 6.5%, which is when we convert it will be 0.065. After we calculate, we can get 145,940 ringgit and 23 cent. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So my name is Aiman Hakimi and I will continue the presentation about determination of monthly installment. So for application of A divided by P, P equal to 71,000, N equal to 5 years, and I equal to 12% per year. So this is the figure about our calculation. So next, by using the formula, A equal to 71,000 times 0.2774. So we get A equal to 19,695 ringgit and 40 cents. So by using the factor table, so we get the same result. We get A equal to 19,695 and 40 cents. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad bin Muhammad Alim. I will explain about the valuation of profitability or non-profitability of business. So, the total cost from our service business is around 71,000 for 12 months of service, and the fixed cost for the cost of raw items and equipment for 1 unit is Rm 100 over 1000 kilograms times 25 kilograms is equal to Rm 2 ringgit and 50 cents. Then the variable cost is Rm 2 ringgit and 50 cents times 1800 times 12 months is equal to Rm 54,000. So the total cost is Rm 17,000 plus Rm 54,000 is equal to Rm 71,000. So the total profit is Rm 145,000. So the net profit for the first year is equal to the total profit minus total expenses, which is equal to 145,000 minus 71,000 equal to 74,000 ringgit. Thank you.
Okay, next, for the conclusion, in the second task, relevant and understanding of the market of target offer are used to achieve the objective. Starting a business requirements, a bank loan, and interest rate knowledge. This knowledge would improve strategic profit management. The correct measurement and equation determine the amount of gain, profitable and conventional revenue needed for loss-free company operation. Keep it safe is a storage service whose monthly payment equal the actual benefit. A cost-benefit analysis was done. Price includes ownership, equipment and other expenses. Variable production based corporate payment expenses were affected. Freight payment and cost were variables. This company proposed a risk management strategy. Financial asset. We estimate a bank loan interest rate of 6.5% for a startup cost of 145,914 ringgit and 23 cents. Using AP or AF, we calculate the monthly loan payment as 19,695 ringgit and 40 cents.